Hi, I'm Rose Parlato. I'm from Cafe Espresso, Ristorante Italiano, and I'm going to show you how to use a ramekin. In this particular case, we're going to show you how to decorate with a ramekin. A ramekin you can bake with, you can make creme brulee, but we're going to show you how to make a dish look beautiful with a ramekin, and that's all it takes. So, say you're serving risotto or potatoes or couscous. All you would do is take your ramekin, and you can, if you have Pam at home, which is a non-stick spray, or olive oil, you would just spray the inside of your ramekin. You would make sure that you pack your ramekin with the risotto and pack it down so that when you're forming it, it will come out as a mold. So we're using our ramekin today as a mold. You know, packing it nice and tight because you don't want it to be loose because you're not going to get that consistency. So you're just packing it, but you're also making sure that that it's sprayed. And if you feel that it might not come out for you, you can always take, you know, if you don't have it sprayed properly, you can always take a knife, go around the edge, you know, and do that. For some people, they need to do that. After packing it all the way to the top, such as this one right here, you would take your dish and you would turn this upside down. Again, you would want this to be heated. You're going to give it a little pat, and it comes out very beautiful. So it's all set. Then you would decorate it. So we have some risotto here with made with some dried porcini mushrooms, and we're going to put some shaved cheese on it. We're going to decorate it maybe with some basil. Then we're, put some truffle oil, white truffle oil on it. And you can decorate it with a little bit of balsamic on the side. And you have a beautiful plate to present to your guests. And this is how you can use a ramekin.